As I say in Top Gun, let's have some flight!
What's that you got there?
Oh, it's just something I found on the side of the road. I like to read every so often. You know, it keeps the mind engaged whilst. Just found it on the side of the road. Let's get flying.
How long have you been flying that thing?
Well, if you're referring to the Ferrari 2016 226 Nimbus 20X65, I've been flying it a couple of years. When I say a couple of years, I mean all my life. How many years of practice? People ask me. John, ask me. Go on, ask me.
How many?
None. No years of practice. Straight up since I started. We call ourselves top A class flyers, and it's what we're talking about.
What happened to your wing?
If you're talking about the Bronsty propellers, John, which is what they're actually called.
More specifically, yeah.
It was a terrible accident. I flew it into a tree, James. It wasn't a good day. It was the first flight of the day. I do about 20-30 flights in a day. First flight of the day, and I lost its chopper. Wasn't a good day. If anything, Jeremy, 20-30 flights is not close enough to the point that you're meant to be flying at. 60-70 flights in the morning. Hey, and then when you're done in the morning, afternoon, let's bump it up to 80. Why not? Let's. Are we ready to fly? I'm fed up of talking, to be honest,
yeah.
right? Let's get flying. Oh shit! Oh no! Are you filming?
Yep.
Well, you see, what I've done is I've come to an actual helicopter airspace, and we call them helipads. You can't actually fly one of these savages in confined areas, so let's take this one into space. Watch this. Oh! Have you seen the controller, Jimmy? Oh. It's like owning a pet. Sometimes it's a bit vicious, and sometimes that's how you fly a Nimbus, whatever I said before. Sometimes it's good to give it a little leap of faith. Just gives you that extra oomph. It's what you need. Oh no! I think.
That wing doesn't look too.
Oh no, it's
good.
no, it's like, you know when cars have spoilers on them, it's like that. It's, you know, the old wind resistance. Yeah. So yeah, there you go. If you got any more lessons, then you just leave your comments, and we'll see you next. Oh God! Oh! Sorry, we alright to get like just one more, because I don't think we've got enough.
Well, we need to kind of be getting off soon.
No, we'll get to get one more, because I don't think we've got enough. Here we go! What? As I say in Top Gun, let's have some flight! Yeah, I'll call it a day there, yeah.
You what? Tell you what, let's just go full throttle.
Apple pen, pineapple pen, pineapple, apple pen.
Let's get flying.
Oh!